Want to display the number in a circle like this in Excel? Let me show you the trick how to do that. Okay, first of all, let's get the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 first. So just high row. Okay, then we got that right. Row 2 or 3. So we can minus 1. Okay, so we got that right. We got that. Let's just understand it. So we convert it to into different formula. We use ancha and just convert that plus with the number 9311. Okay, just convert that into that format. Boom, you see, and just drag down here. You got that. Okay, let me show you again. This is the formula.